Hello friends, it's me DBD. Welcome to my channel. Today let's just image a story about what if the AI that could replace your job tomorrow. At exactly 3:17 p.m., a worker was quietly removed from a Fortune 500 company, replaced by something that doesn't sleep, doesn't get sick, costs 1/10 as much. A lonely office desk, empty chair, computer still on, and the scariest part, no one told them it was coming. The AI that could replace your job tomorrow. This building houses over 2,000 employees. Last year, 400 of them were laid off in a single quarter. The official reason? Budget optimization. The real reason? A new AI system named Eve. Stylized 3D render of Eve's interface. Glowing charts. Employee performance metrics scrolling in real time. Eve didn't just analyze spreadsheets it learned. Started writing reports, running payroll. Then it began attending meetings. But that's not what shocked the staff the most. It was what came next. A man mid-30s opens an email. Adam, senior financial analyst. 12 years at the company, top of her division. He trained Evie herself. Without realizing, he was training her replacement. Each case study he gave Evie was recorded, absorbed, and replicated. Eve was faster, more accurate, never asked for a raise. Customer service reps replaced by voice clones. Copywriters replaced by GPT-based marketing tools. Coders replaced by agents like Devin. Video editors outpaced by one-click editing apps. It started with freelancers, then small teams. Now entire departments are quietly disappearing. A man at his computer, Tom, 45, mechanical engineer, he looked stressed. Tom thought his job was safe, until a junior developer showed him a tool called NeuralCAD. It didn't just design parts, it tested them, optimized them, suggested cheaper materials. Tom, staring at the screen, defeated. Tom is told he'll now collaborate with AI. It did in 3 minutes what used to take me a week, and his pay is too. His job is now half what it was. This isn't science fiction. It's quiet economic warfare. BuzzFeed lays off writers, turns to AI content. Radiologists outperformed by diagnostic algorithms. AI lawyer beats human in mock trial. In courtrooms, hospitals, newsrooms, AI isn't coming for jobs. It's already taken them. For corporations, the math is brutal. An employee costs $87,000 a year. An AI license, $1.20 a month. But here's what no one saw coming. AI isn't just replacing jobs, it's competing for them. Bidding, writing cover letters, creating fake resumes, and employers, most can't even tell the difference. Some of us are already collaborating with AI. Some of us are training it. But most terrifying of all, some of us have already been replaced. And we don't even know it yet. Would you like to retrain with Eve? Because in tomorrow's job market, your only choice might be to work for the AI or be forgotten by it. This is not a warning. It's a time stomp. Until next time, be safe and smart.